Got a PDF that needs to become a live website? You can turn it into an HTML with Foxit PDF Editor, no coding required. Here's exactly how, step by step. This is a sample PDF. To convert it to an HTML page, go to the Convert tab. Click to HTML. Specify the file name and save location. Click Settings. Set page range. Content setting to include images. Choose single or multi-page HTML. OCR options. Click OK, then click Save. Once the conversion to HTML is complete, your new web page will open, in your default browser, ready to view or publish. The appearance may slightly differ from the original PDF, depending on the export settings. This is the output source folder for HTML on the drive.